Hi, welcome to this video tutorial, and of course I remain Moses. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to integrate a payment gateway to your website. And without any further ado, let's get started. Now, there are a lot of payment gateways you can work with. For Nigeria, or let me say for Africa, we have mobile money, we have flutterwave, we have Paystack, and for foreign countries we have PayPal and Stripe. There are other payment gateways, but these are the most recognized one based on where we are. So for this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to integrate flutterwave to your WordPress website. And this procedure is basically the same thing with PayPal, Stripe, and Paystack. The first thing you want to do is to install a plugin that will enable you integrate a payment gateway. So I'm going to come back to my dashboard and I'm going to go to plugins. I'm going to click on add new, and let's assume I want to integrate PayPal. If I search for PayPal, as you can see, we have Woocommerce PayPal payments, Woocommerce PayPal checkout payment gateway, and PayPal Express checkout payment gateway for Woocommerce. So you have a lot of plugins to work with right here. As you can see, this is having a bad rating, this is having a bad rating, and I think this is having a better rating right here. So you can work with this one right here. So you need to pick one of these plugins to integrate PayPal with your WooCommerce website. I search for Stripe, and we have Stripe right here. WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway, you can use this. Payment plugins for Stripe WooCommerce, you can use this. I think this is better. As you can see, accepts credit cards, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Afterpay, blah blah blah. Just for Stripe payments, we have another Stripe payment. It accepts Stripe payments. So you need to work with one of these guys. Stripe payment plugin for WooCommerce. This is another one right here. So you just need to pick one of the plugins to work with. If I search for Paystack, as you can see, Paystack WooCommerce payment gateway, we have this right here. We have payment form for Paystack, blah blah blah. I think the one you need to work with is this one, Paystack WooCommerce payment gateway. This one right here. I think this is having a 5-star, perfect 5-star, and it is looking good. So these are other Paystack plugins to integrate with other plugins. So now the one I want to search for is flutterwave, and we have these flutterwave payment forms. We have Rave WooCommerce payment gateway, and we have WooCommerce Rave payment gateway. We have Rave easy digital downloads, blah blah blah. So the one I want to work with is this one right here. As you can, this is having better ratings than this guy right here. So I'm going to go with this one right here. I'm going to select this and I'm going to install now. It is installed, and I'm going to go ahead to activate this guy right here. Now we have it activated. As you can see, now to set it up, you need to log into your flutterwave account. If you don't have a flutterwave account, your client will have to provide you with the details you request from them, be it flutterwave, PayPal, or Stripe. Depending on the details you need, your client will have to provide them to you, and most of the things you need, you get them from the settings. Even on Paystack, you get from the settings. On Stripe, you get from the settings. On PayPal, you get from the settings. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to come to my WooCommerce, and I'm going to come to settings. So I'm going to come to payment, this one right here. And now you see, after installing that plugin, we have a fourth option right here, Rave by Flutterwave. So I'm going to go ahead to enable this so we can accept payments using card on our website. I'm going to go ahead to click on setup, and it brings us to this page. Now enable disable Rave by Flutterwave. I want it enabled, so this box is checked. Title Rave. Description: make payment using debit card, credit card, and bank account. Enable test mode. No, I don't want a test mode, though most times it's best you make use of a test mode to test your e-commerce website. So live public key. You have to come to your settings. Now come to settings. As you can see, everything I need is right here. I should come to API. So you can always copy the keys right here. We have the public key, we have the secret key, and we have the encryption key. So whatever it is requested from us is what we're going to input right here. We have the live public key, paste it right here, and we have the live secret key. You copy from here and you paste it right here. Custom title, you input it, custom. So I'm just going to go ahead to copy and paste live public key. I'm going to copy, I'm going to paste it right here. Live secret key, I'm going to copy, I'm I'm going to paste it right here. Custom title, I just give this Rave. Custom description, just write anything you want to give them. And all these are not compulsory, you don't have to set it. Custom logo, you don't have to set it. Saved cards. Now for the saved cards, this is when you give the client the ability to save cards on your website. That is, after making payments, they want to save the card for later use, so you can enable payment via saved cards. And all you need to do is click on save changes. Now the same applies for Stripe, Paystack, and PayPal. The major thing you'll be needing is either email, the email that is used to create the account, the flutterwave or the PayPal or whatever account, the payment gateway account, the public key, and the live key. Those are the three major things you'll be needing to set up your payment gateway with any payment gateway. So all you need to do is request it from your client and you set it up. You're not doing any code, you are not doing any technical stuff. What you need to do is request for the details needed. The details needed will be right here. You will see it right here. Live public key, some can call it public key or just secret key or hash or stuff like that. So just set it up, save your changes, and when I come back to my store and I come to shop page and I click on, let me just check out from cart right here. I'm going to click on checkout. When I scroll down, as you can see, now we have MasterCard, Visa, and Valve. So I'll select Rave by Flutterwave as my mode of payment and make payments using Rave by Flutterwave. You can also integrate Paystack, you can integrate Stripe, and you can integrate PayPal. This is just the basics of payment integration with Woocommerce. In the mentorship program, I'm going to go further to setting this up properly. Understand? So this is where I'm going to stop for this video tutorial. Of course, I remain Moses, and I'm going to see you in the next video tutorial.